In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Big Me by Foo Fighters off of their eponymous debut album, Foo Fighters. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today, we have Big Me by the Foo Fighters. Comment down below if you think Big Me is the Foo Fighters' most underrated song. And let's dive in. All right, we have a repeating sequence of mostly open chords throughout this song. It's going to start on a C. And in this case, we'll be adding the pinky to the third fret of the first string. Then we'll jump to an A minor. Again, using the pinky on the third fret of the first string. Then we have a big G chord. Okay, so your pinky and ring finger are down on the third frets of the first and second string. And then we jump to everyone's favorite chord, the F major bar chord. And don't worry, that is the only bar chord in this song. And the right hand rhythm is going to be played like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's add the chords. And when we're playing that right hand rhythm, we're going to be focusing on strings 3 through 6 on the first two downstrokes. It's on the upstroke that we introduce the first two strings. So it sounds like this. Same thing when we transfer to A minor. Then to G. That part's going to be played through the intro and the verse, and then we go into this little breakdown section. It's going to start on an E major chord, then it'll jump to the F bar chord, then to a C with the pinky down, and then it'll jump to a C dominant 7th. So what you're going to do there is move your pinky from the third fret of the first string to the third fret of the third string. And the right hand rhythm will be pretty much the same. And the second time through that chord sequence, you'll play an E and then an F. Then you'll repeat the F and jump to the big G. So that sounds like this. So that whole breakdown section will sound like this. And then the chorus riff will sound just like the intro riff. Until the very end. where it jumps to G, then to F, and then back to C. So the way that ends, C, jump to G, jump to F, back to C. And then it'll hit the G, 7/8 notes on the G, and then back into the verse. All of those parts will repeat again, and then we'll go into the last chorus. Then it will repeat this ending 3 times. Then we hit a regular C without the pinky, and then we play a C7 as the very last chord. Is Dave Grohl the best musician of the 21st century? Leave a comment down below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life because we do, in fact, have souls.